Hi everyone, I am Ken Johnson Vitorino.
I am Emerson B. Interino.
I am Bianca Tenar Pami.
I am Juni Durian Isa.
I am Rika Rizala Bijo.
Today, our group will discuss the case study titled The Electrification in Remote Communities. The Philippine Government Total Electrification Program in Mindanao is a significant step towards achieving the universal access to electricity. Microgrids powered by renewable energy sources like the solar and wind, combined with diesel backup generators, are being used to electrify remote communities. We will explore the efficiency of microgrids, the ethical and environmental issues with the diesel backup, and how the Pagtanaw 2050's vision can shape the future of this kind of projects. The Total Electrification Program aims to provide electricity to all households in Mindanao, with a focus on underserved communities. Microgrids can play the key role in achieving this objective by providing the reliable and sustainable energy solutions.
Microgrids are considered efficient for remote electrification in the Philippines because they are independent from the main grid. This makes them suitable for far-flung areas like mountains and islands, where grid extension is costly and difficult. Microgrids can integrate renewable energy sources like solar and wind, which are abundant in our country, making power supply more sustainable. They also reduce power outage by having localized control, ensuring communities receive reliable electricity. Furthermore, microgrids can be designed to meet the specific needs to each community, taking into account factors like energy demand, resource availability, and environment concerns. This flexibility makes microgrids an attractive solution for more remote electrification.
However, challenges arise when using diesel backup in hybrid system. From an environment perspective, diesel generators release greenhouse gases and harmful pollutants that could give air pollution. Ethically, relying heavily on fossil fuels contradicts our responsibility to protect the environment and future generations. Communities may also face higher fuel costs and health risks due to exposure to emissions. To mitigate these concerns, we need to explore alternative energy storage solutions and reduce our dependence on diesel generators. This requires a careful assessment of the environmental and social impact of our energy choices.
Pagtanaw 2015 envisioned the Philippines as a leader in renewable energy, focusing on clean, affordable, and inclusive power. Applying this vision to electrification project means prioritizing renewable sources like solar, wind, and even hydro instead of depending on diesel. Future design should use energy storage technologies such as batteries to replace or reduce diesel usage. This aligns with the long-term goal of achieving energy independence and reducing carbon emissions. By following Pagtanaw 2050's renewable energy vision, we can create a more suitable energy future for Philippines. This requires coordinated effort from government agencies, private sectors, stakeholders, and local communities.
So in conclusion, microgrids are indeed an efficient solution for providing electricity to remote areas in the Philippines. Still, ethical and environmental concerns from diesel use must be addressed. By following Pagtanaw 2050's renewable energy vision, we can design future projects that are cleaner, more sustainable, and community-centered. Electrification is not only about powering homes, it is also about shaping a better future for our country. As we move forward, we need to prioritize renewable energy sources, reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, and promote sustainable energy practices. By working together, we can achieve a more sustainable energy future for the Philippines.
So that's all. Thank you.
4 minutes,